Hey there guys, I've coded this amazing dancing dinosaur in Scratch, and today I'm going to give you a lesson on how to make your sprites dance. You want to start by adding a new sprite. This sprite is made to dance, so we're going to use this one. I'm just going to stop that dinosaur dancing behind because that's going to get annoying. We're going to go onto our sprite and check how many costumes it has. It has 13 costumes. That's a lot of costumes. We want to start with when flag clicked button. Then we want to add forever. We want it to switch to the next costume. Then we want it to wait 0.5 seconds so we get to see the costume change. Now watch this. We now have a dancing sprite. You could even add some sound effects over the top if you wanted to. Let's add some sound effects. Let's add play sound dance magic until done. So look at that dinosaur. It's now dancing. But we need to add dance magic at the bottom of these. Not in there. Okay, so we have some dancing music. But so Anina still dances. We're going to add play sound dance magic in this extra sprite. Let's go to sound. Say play sound. And then we want to choose dance magic. Except dance magic isn't available on some sprites. Okay, you might face this one. So what we're going to do next is we're going to get another Anina dance. She's just going to stand here. We're going to make her really small. Size 0, in fact. And we're just going to put her right down here in the corner where nobody's going to notice her. So, we've still got both our sprites dancing, but we're going to get dance magic playing. Now we want to take this play sound out of the dinosaur that I put in. Okay, now watch this. It's just that little Anina down there playing with dance magic. So that is really, really, really cool. We've made a disco for our sprites. Let's just have some more dance magic.